not taking a picture.
Yeah.
I'm taking a video.
I know.
Yeah, I know that trick.
What? What's your wallpaper?
Your mom. Oh God.
Oh, it's pizza. Don't hit me with
Yeah,
that.
you know, that's good, Shane, because everybody came except Walker that you invited. That's a really good turnout for how far they had to drive and come and everything.
Alright, so we're gonna do a video.
And
Evan
surprisingly,
builds
it
a
was
car.
not bad.
What?
Okay.
It was.
Yeah, we should have started with it not built yet.
Okay. So the first thing you do is fold this way and snap it shut. Pretty simple task, and push that down so that it doesn't. Okay.
Give
now
me
stop.
it. It's mine anyways.
And you put this like this and you slide
You don't
it in like a boop a doop. And there you go. You got a car. Bitch.
It was 129 when your father went in. It's 131. 2 minutes flush.
In how many minutes?
He said he gave us all $10. You ready to get $10? I'm ready to get $10.
Wait.
He's only got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes goes hella fast.
As long as we pass that turn.
Mom. Then I'll have $109. 209. I mean. Oh, and I got $30 on iTunes.
Who got you? Is that what Ethan got you?
15 minutes, and Coda got me a Lego set and his car.
Oh my god.
I would think.
What's that?
Guys got 2 minutes.
The money's gonna be flushing in. Mom. Mom.
No.
Yeah.
How many minutes did he say?
5. He's used 3. He's only
4.
got 2 more.
Oh, wait, no.
If he's not back in here before.
Hey.
You know,
I need to show you from the beginning. I took 18 pictures.
18 pictures.
Yeah.
That was like 5 seconds.
I go like this. It's black.
Oh.
What happened?
1 minute.
When it's 134, he's got through that minute.
All right, ready?
But if it hits 135, he's out.
Especially.
It's like,
I need to do a slideshow. Okay.
it needs to be like a fast slideshow.
Slide.